Here's a 2015 Chevrolet Tahoe. Providing you with a bounty of big-time capability, it's quite simply the do-it-all full-size SUV that accomplishes anything. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: V8 engine, heated leather bucket seats, entertainment system with Blu-ray, rear parking sensors, dual-zone climate control, power heated mirrors, streaming audio, hands-free liftgate, doors and push-button start proximity key, and automatic transmission. Of the Tahoe, USA Today comments, "So smooth it's almost invisible." There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
King Kia. Please don't hesitate to contact us with any questions you may have. Call, click, or visit us today at 953 North Frederick Avenue in Gaithersburg. We look forward to doing business with you.